How to find deleted friends on Discord. So if you want to find your deleted friends on your Discord, then first you need to open up your Discord application if you have your application. But if you don't have your application, then you need to go to your browser and open up your browser. And you can go to discord.com and you can log into your account. So once you are here on your Discord, now if you want to find your deleted friends on Discord, so for example, I have this friend right here. If you have unfortunately or if you have mistakenly removed this person as a friend, then what you can do is the first thing you can do is go for your server. So once you go for your server, if you have that person or that member under a server, then open that server and you can go for the persons which will be on the right side. You can simply go for that person's ID and then you can send a request to them. Or if you don't have that person in a server, then you can simply go back and here you can go for friends, which is on the first, and from here you can add your friend. So you need to enter your friend's username. So simply enter the username of that person and then you can click on send friend request. So for example, you need to simply write for that person's username and then you can click on send friend request. And once you've searched, you can simply click on the send friend request, and once you click on send friend request, it will send the friend request if the username is correct. So that's how you can find your Discord friends if you have deleted them, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.